تدعي.
After the 40 days have ended, the Muslims will be praying behind Al-Mahdi, almost about to pray Salat al-Dhuhr. Also in the hadith in Sahih Muslim you will find it. They'll be praying in Ash-Sham, in Syria in particular, in Damascus, in a mosque called Masjid al-Minar al-Bayda. Rasulullah named it, the one with the white minaret. There will be a group of army praying with Al-Mahdi in that masjid. As they were about to play the Dhuhr, suddenly Isa alayhi salam descends, the real Isa alayhi salam. And two angels will be carrying him on each side. He'll be wearing two garments, and his beard will be long, it will be black, and his hair will be long and black. It will be not curly and not dead straight, and it will reach his shoulders as if it is dropping with water. That's his look, alayhi salatu wasalam. And his cheeks will be red cheeks, and he's white in color. So he is Isa alayhi salam, very handsome man. Will come down and he will enter this masjid, and the Muslims will notice him. Al-Mahdi will walk back so that Isa alayhi salam can pray Imam, and he will say, every nation has its own Imam which Allah has appointed, and you are the appointed Imam of this nation, so remain in your position. So Isa alayhi salam comes down for a different purpose, and he prays behind Al-Mahdi. After that, in the hadith it says he wipes the face of the Muslims that are in there, and he informs them of their places in Jannah. They go off to Al-Maqdis to fight the army of the Dajjal, and in Al-Maqdis in Jerusalem, the Dajjal would have come with an army with him. He will not know that Isa alayhi salam is with Al-Mahdi and the Muslim army, and they'll find them on the borders of the Temple of Solomon, as you call it. They will exit and find the Dajjal with his army. Ad-Dajjal, as soon as he sees Isa alayhi salam, he runs away. Rasulullah said he runs away and he begins to melt, literally melt. But before Isa alayhi salam lets him melt, Isa alayhi salam follows him with a sword and kills him. So he bleeds and he dies. And he says to the people, if he was a god, how can I kill him? If he melted and gone and dissolved, they'll think he's a god. But he killed him, and he says to prove to the people he is not a god.